Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Make sure you like and subscribe to Gymnastics with Science, which your channel is on right here. So I will be having a sponsor word today, which I'm shouting out, and it's a sticker right here. You like it, you guys? It's a mystery sticker gonna be hidden in this video every 3 seconds. So it's gonna be there, here, and up here. So you guys, let's see if you can spot it. If you can't, I hope you like this video, and let's get started. So today we're gonna be doing a day in the life Saturday. Before we start, I'm gonna do a shout out for Power Director, which is the best editing I ever found, so I can edit this video. Of course, I have to edit it. So Power Director is an edit for YouTube, and it's very, very expensive, but it's not expensive. It's very cheap. I guess that's the right word, cheap. And you guys should get it because it's awesome and amazing. It's called Power Director Cyber Link. And it will be in the link below on my YouTube channel. So let's get started, you guys. Woohoo! So today I'm going to do a day in life Saturday. So first of all, you should see my dad in the background. Let me just lift him up. So you should know him as my dad. And make sure you watch my video, Dad, my Gymnastics with Science, hashtag dad video. And that also will be, well, you can just search it up on my YouTube. So let's get started, you guys. What should I do first? So I think I'm gonna bug my dad because sometimes I'm just bored and
Hit the clay. Clay. Push pause.
No. Okay, so
well, I think the back end of the bubble is tough. It is every year, but with fewer games.
okay, so I found out my answer. We're gonna do some clay. You guys, and clay that I have for Christmas. So you guys, I'll be right back. That's pretty.
But seeding
Push pause.
17 through
It doesn't pause on the.
is a challenge, and then of course.
Okay, you guys, we're back. So I'm gonna do something with my dad. So I found this clay set from my school, online school, Connexus. Thank you so much, Connexus Academy. Hashtag to them. So it's some clay in here, and I'm gonna do a project with my dad. So Dad, do you want to do this project with me?
Yes.
Okay, 1 second, you guys. Hi guys, welcome back, and here's my dad. Please take off the glasses. Let's just put it on top of his fluffy hair. And today we're gonna make a volcano. And now it's 4:11, I think. So here's a set from my school, online school, Connexus. And please don't do that. Please don't. He's embarrassing. So we're gonna make a volcano out of what, Daddy? What are we gonna make?
At first, actually, we're going to use clay
Yes. So
to
here.
form the volcano itself.
So
And then the active ingredients involved, please, disclaimer, make sure your parents participate
yes.
and are hands-on with this process.
Yes.
Would be vinegar, baking soda, a cleaning detergent, and food coloring if possible.
Yes. So here is our modeling clay, and here is our eyeglasses because it is gonna explode, you guys. So we always want to keep these suckers inside. So
Step 1, volcano.
here's our measuring.
Step 2, we're going to have ingredients.
And
And most
here.
importantly, safety.
And here's our magnet ceramic. And here's our magnifying glass. It's very pretty. Magnifying glass.
All right, let's start with
The clay.
The volcano. We'll be back, guys. Gonna make an awesome volcano.
Yes. We don't want to do on camera because it'll take a long time, but we will be back. Okay? Bye. But see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so this little volcano right here, I'm gonna make it erect. So first, you will need some baking soda. And always do this with parents allowed. I'm just like a little bit older and my dad taught me. So you just put that in there. And if it's not enough, take another scoop. But don't put too much. Okay? Oh. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. Now you want to put some dish soap in there. Only a little. And then you want to put some baking soda. I mean vinegar. Vinegar smells super bad, so don't take it. Don't use it without parents. Now use this, of course, pour it. And it fizzes! Daddy, it blowed up.
What?
It blowed up. That's the longest that I ever blowed up before.
Yeah. You are officially a scientist.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm officially a scientist. Scientist. Officially a scientist. Scientist.